Alright guys, I'm doing like a little outside test here with the Firefly, and we'll check the microphone on here. If you don't hear me, that means the microphone sucks. Okay? You could hear it when I had it on the Bugs 3, but it wasn't real loud. But I'm just holding it in my hand here so you would know what it was like just doing a walk around. I don't think it has any EIS or anything like that on it, so we're gonna come through the parking lot here. There's my blue beast. Does it look, I wonder if it's gonna look blue in the video. It might look green, but we'll see. And then I'm gonna drive down the road a little bit and then we'll see what it looks like. Look at that bird shit on the car, bastards. I need to wash this car something ferociously. I wasn't allowed to wash it for, I had some body work done because one of them tree branches fell on the car in the winter and did $4,000 worth of damage, which you wouldn't believe how little bit of damage $4,000 is, okay? It was a few scratches and a couple of dents, and it was $4 grand. But they had to repaint the whole hood and the doors and the fenders to make everything match, so that's why it cost so much money. And I wasn't allowed to wash the car for 4 months, so this car is dirty as hell. But the 4 months is up, so I'm gonna have to get it going. I'm trying to hold the camera as steady as I can, so. I mean, it's a $20 camera, right? So, I mean, what are we going to expect for $20? We can't expect a lot for $20. Okay, they're making an auto zone here. This was an H.H. Gregg, as you can see, but they're painting the auto zone colors on there now. And this was the repurposing that for a truck store and a storage unit and some other shops. This is a Texas roadhouse, or as I call it, the Texas shithouse. We're gonna drive up through the mall and then I'll cut the video. There's that abandoned Hooters. They're going to tear all that down now because they're going to put a supermarket in right there. There's the Pep Boys. That used to be the Circuit, that big of a lot. That was the Circuit City. They had to wind up tearing it down because it was getting ready to slide over the hill. So that was fun. The building cracked. A couple of years after they closed, I think they went out of business in 2009, maybe something like that, 2008. Well, a couple of years after it was closed, the damn building almost cracked in half. Or it did crack in half, and the back of the building started sliding off the hill, so they had to hurry up and demolish it. Because the railroad runs over that hill. Never could do a shoot over there because there was so many power lines over there. It's unbelievable. Okay, we're coming up on the Monroeville Mall now. There's the CVS headquarters there. They need to mow their, get some landscapers out here, guys. And this shit's overgrown like crazy. And your underground parking's falling apart. Need to tighten that up. There's the front of the mall there. There's my favorite store, Best Buy. Well, anyway, when I had this camera in the Bugs 3 the other day, I took it off. The damn quadcopter, the yaw wouldn't work on the transmitter. I could not get the quadcopter to turn. The pitch and the roll worked fine, and the altitude, that worked fine. It just wouldn't go, it wouldn't yaw. So I, for the life of me, couldn't figure out what it was. The only thing I can think is that the batteries were weak. That's the only explanation I have. I haven't tried it again, but I'm going to put a fresh batteries in there, because usually I do, because I use rechargeable batteries, and I'll put fresh ones in whenever I'm taking a quad out to make a video. You know, I'll put, you know, I'll either recharge the ones and charge them up, because, you know, when you go out to shoot these videos, you know, I do this, I plan this. It's not like I do this on some spur of the moment thing, you know, oh, I'm gonna go out and shoot a video. This stuff's all planned in advance. So, you know, I get the stuff already. I get the quadcopter batteries charged. I, you know, make sure the memory cards are got room on them, and, you know, all that kind of stuff. The batteries are fresh in the transmitters. So it just, you know, something happened. I'll figure it out. Alright, boys, I'm going to cut the video. We've seen enough of the Firefly. Alright, guys, I'll talk to you later.
Perdón por no haber escuchado tu ruego.